In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a license plate lens on your Ford Focus. Let's get started. Using a flat blade screwdriver, we're going to get on the inside of the lens. We're going to pop it down. Remove the terminals. Pull straight off. Remove the license plate bulb. Install the bulb into the new fixture. Install the connectors. Snap the light into place, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.